Nobody talks about this, but the biggest difference between average home espresso and true cafe-quality shots isn't the beans, it's the pressure you can actually see and control. This one feature will completely change how you see home espresso machines forever. Today on Home and Kitchen, we're reviewing the Pulzo 20-bar espresso machine, a powerful home barista setup that finally puts professional control in your hands. At its core is a professional 20-bar high-pressure pump that delivers rich, fragrant espresso with thick, golden crema in every cup. What truly sets it apart is the built-in visual pressure gauge. You can watch the exact pressure in real time and adjust perfectly to your taste. Just remember, if your grind is too coarse, you use too little coffee, or you don't tamp firmly enough, the pressure drops and the shot suffers. Follow the manual and you'll nail it every time. The powerful steam wand produces smooth, rich microfoam, making it effortless to create stunning latte art for your cappuccinos and lattes. You can brew single or double shots using the included stainless steel filter baskets. Perfect whether you're enjoying your morning coffee alone or sharing with friends. The full package includes everything you need: the machine, single and double baskets, 51mm professional portafilter, tamper, spoon tamper, 350ml milk jug, steam nozzle, and user manual. With its sleek stainless steel design and real professional features, the Pulzo 20-bar espresso machine brings authentic cafe experience straight to your kitchen counter. If you want consistently great espresso and beautiful milk drinks at home, this machine is worth serious consideration. Have you tried the Pulzo yet? Drop your favorite coffee drink in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe to Home and Kitchen for more honest reviews, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.